What is up, guys? This is Jake from Mile High Biking, back here again with another bike video. Brought back by popular demand is a bike check on the Wal-Mart bike. You guys want to know how it's doing, so this is the Wal-Mart bike build. Still running the Suntour XCR forks up front with the race face crank set. SRAM GX group set in the rear. It's a 2x10 with the race face respond, handlebars and stem. What else? So let's see, I changed the front rotor to 180 millimeters. Changed the bash guard to a blue one just to match a little bit better. Trying to get the blues in there so it looks really nice. You guys know how everybody loves to get their bike looking perfect. So again, here is the A to Z disc brake adapter, 160 millimeter in the back, as big as I can go. I can't go any bigger. The Treco Moda disc brakes, they do great. Haven't had any problems with them. Let's see what else is there. Hope seat post clamp, Hope quick releases. Got the Maxxis Minions on there, of course. Have to. It's starting to get back to winter again. This bike has been on everything from jumps to downhill trails, bike parks, black diamonds, double black diamonds, you name it. This has been on it. This has done it. It's been a year and it's still lasted. It's really quite impressive for a Wal-Mart frame, and I can't complain. I know a lot of people are really surprised that this Wal-Mart frame can handle the stuff that I've been throwing at it. The only limitations that I have with this bike is that the bike itself holds me back, so this will end up being my Thrasher bike and my like commuter bike after I start building my next one. The next one will start getting built here maybe within a month. Probably going to go with the hardcore hardtail, like 150 millimeters of travel up front. Yeah, it should be a nice build. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Comment, subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Ugh.